Members of his cabinet, the members of the committee for Edo State Senatorial election, flagging me by my left, immediate left, is the secretary of the committee, Dr. Yahaya Suleiman. By my immediate right is Prince Nasur Pindigi, and after him, by the right, is Mr. Michael Olufemi. We want to thank the people of Edo State for their enormous hospitality and the spirit of comradeship they have shown to us. It is no doubt one of the legacies of the great champion of the All Progressive People's Party, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. An election is an important part or an important pillar of democracy. We have worked tirelessly to witness the return of democracy in this country. And we will do all that is within our powers to sustain and maintain democratic processes for the benefit of this country. It is in this view that, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to announce the long-awaited results for the senatorial elections that took place in Edo State. We had peaceful elections, and we want to thank the Edo people for this support and love they have shown to us. We hope that this party will come out victorious in the general election. Amen. For Edo North, we had the following as a result of the election. 317 voters were accredited. 316 votes were casted. Valid vote, 314, invalid 2. Adams Oshiomhole got 309 votes, while Francis Ali Mehene got 5 votes. On behalf of my committee, by the powers of the party that is given to me as the chairman of this committee, I therefore certify that Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole, having scored the highest number of votes cast is hereby the winner and declared the winner of this election. Thank you very much. For Edo South, the number of votes that was accredited, voters accredited 379. 379. Total votes cast 378. Valid vote 374. Invalid vote 4 votes. Valentine Asuen polled 216 votes, while Loki Asuen got 158 votes. I hereby, as the chairman of this committee, certify that Mr. Valentine Asuen, having scored the highest number of votes cast, is hereby declared winner of the Edo South Senatorial District APC primaries election. As for Edo Central, number of accredited voters 244. Total votes cast 242. Valid vote 241. Invalid vote 1. Mr. O, distinguished senator in the waiting, Monday, Okpebholo, got the 241 valid votes, and I therefore declare and certify him as the winner, having scored the highest number of votes. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, with this pronouncement, I, as the chairman of this indefatigable committee of agile and young people, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Aliyu, declare this exercise to have come to an end. We thank you most sincerely for all the support and love and you have shown to us. The pressmen, the security people, members of the party working committee within the state, and the national office of the party. We thank you very much for finding us worthy to be given this of integrity, character, and comradeship. Irrespective of their alignment in terms of candidacy of these people, they have gathered after the announcement at the place of election. They have promised to work with those people who have been elected after the primaries. It is an APC state. It has been demonstrated. We came, we saw, and we will go back and testify that Edo is still an APC state. Thank you very much. Yes.